Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
National Chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Uche Secondus, arrives in Makurdi Airport and is received by his host, Governor Samuel Ortom. Shortly after, it was the turn of the River State Governor, Nyesom Wike, who proceeded to the government house where a closed-door meeting was held by the trio. Governor Ortom was particularly concerned that it seems quite difficult to arrest Fulani herders, but practical to stop secession activities. He promised not to quit until the situation changes.
We can make our party more vibrant because the entire country, Nigeria, are waiting for the PDP to take over mantle of leadership in 2023. So we have to plan in a little way. We've been doing this meeting all over the country. We traveled to a number of states. On the 27th, we're all going to be in Bauchi. All is to strategize and give confidence to Nigerian people who are calling on us to put our house in order so that they will join us to win elections. So that is why we're here. 2 humanitarian workers, and of course, one of my relation who is an undergraduate in Benue State University 200 level, was also killed with 2 humanitarian workers by Fulani militia. This is unfortunate, and they even had the guts to send words to the person who called the phone of one of the murdered workers that they should tell me until I repeal the prohibition of open grazing law, otherwise they will continue the killing. That is the level of the impunity we are talking about, the injustice we are talking about in this country, the unfairness and the evil that is going on by these people. And we'll continue to cry out to the outer world to see the genocide that is going on here in Benue State and other parts of Nigeria. And I want to repeat again, I heard somebody made a very, should I call it, unfortunate statement by saying that the bandits, the Fulani bandits, are like spirits, so they are not sane. That is why they can arrest Nnamdi Kanu and they can displace Igboho, but they cannot arrest Fulani herdsmen that are romancing with government officials in this country and are killing people, taking our children, raping them in school, and yet nothing is being done, that they are spirit, they cannot be seen. Who will tell me that? When these militia are coming out on video and are saying that they were hired by government, and yet they are telling me they cannot be seen. When Gumi can go to the forest and see them and come back and negotiate ransom, and they are telling me they cannot see them. How can you tell me that those Fulani militia are spirits, they cannot be seen? How can they stop iPod in the east and stop Igboho from going on with the secessionist agenda? And now you're telling me you cannot apprehend these people who are all over the place, armed with AK-47, and they themselves confessing that government is sponsoring them. The day that President Buhari wants these killings to stop, it will stop. That is all. But for now, I think that this is what they want. And it is not strange to me because they have said it before. They want to take over the country. But some of us will fight that with the last pint of our blood. That I can assure you. Until I know more, because we can't keep quiet in the midst of injustice. If you want us to keep quiet, you must also give us justice. Then we can keep quiet.